Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on transforming a block in WordPress in just 5 minutes. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, locate the login option positioned in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this login option will open the authentication panel where you will be guided to enter your credentials in a straightforward manner. After clicking the login option, the next instruction is to use the convenient option that allows you to continue with your Google account. When you select Continue with Google, a new prompt will appear providing you with a list of Google accounts linked to your browser. Choose the account you want to use for WordPress, and the system will seamlessly log you in. This approach eliminates the need to remember a separate username and password, thus simplifying the process. Once you have successfully logged in, move your attention to the Quick Links section available on your dashboard. In this area, you will find an option named Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to enter the site editor interface where you can start making changes to your website layout. Within the site editor, look around for the block that you intend to transform. The instruction is to click on your block. When you click on the block, it becomes highlighted and ready for editing. This selection is essential as it ensures that the transformation applies to the correct section of your website. With the block selected, direct your gaze to the navigation bar within the editing interface. Here, the next step requires you to click on the second icon from the navigation bar. This icon serves as the gateway to the transformation feature. The moment you click on it, the editor reveals transformation tools that allow you to change the block type. The design of this tool is intuitive, making it clear that its purpose is to help you modify the block according to your design needs. After clicking on the transformation icon, the editor will showcase a list of available block types that you can transform your current block into. At this point, carefully review the options displayed on your screen. Think about the overall look and feel that fits best with your website design, and then choose the block type that aligns with your vision. The transformation process is executed immediately once you make your selection, and your block will change to the new type that you have chosen. This tutorial is designed to guide you through each step smoothly. By logging in through your Google account, you expedite the process, and by accessing the site editor through quick links, you save time locating the editing tools. The user-friendly interface of WordPress supports your workflow, ensuring that every click brings you closer to a transformed and enhanced block. As you observe the changes take effect, feel free to make any additional adjustments. The editing tools are flexible, allowing you to achieve a look that best represents your content. Following these steps, you will successfully transform your block in WordPress, giving your site an updated appearance that suits your needs. Enjoy the process as you enhance your site, confident in the simplicity and power of the WordPress editor.